Good morning everyone, and today we are going to solve some more questions of trigonometric function. And the first question is quite special. That is, on the left hand side we have cot x, cot of 2x minus cot of 2x, cot of 3x minus cot of 3x into cot of x equal to 1. We have to prove this left hand side equal to 1. Since you can see cot of x twice in this left hand side, cot of 2x twice in left hand side, and cot of 3x twice as well. You can take anything common here, but the cleverest thing to do here is to take the biggest number common here. So we will get cot of x, cot of 2x minus, taking minus as common, and cot of 3x as well. So you are left with cot of 2x and cot of x. This is the left hand side. Now we will going to solve this cot of 3x. And how we are going to solve it? Cot of 3x. Since 3x is the angle, and we know that we can write 3x as 2x plus x. So here we are going to write this as 2x plus x. Or you can write this at another way around too, that x plus 2x. Now writing the remainder part, that is cot of 2x into cot of x. Here we are going to use the formula. Which formula? The formula here is cot of a plus b. And what is the formula of cot a plus b? Is cot a into cot b minus 1 divided by cot of a plus cot of b. Now don't do anything with the first term, write it as it is. So we are cot x, we have cot x, cot of 2x, and apply the formula here. What will we get? We get cot of 2x into cot of x minus 1 divided by cot of 2x plus cot of x. Sorry, I have done some mistake here. The plus sign will come here because we have taken this common. So after taking the minus, the plus sign will appear here. I am going to erase this since you have already written the formula, and we will get cot of 2x plus cot of x here. We can cancel out this because they both are in multiply. So we are left with cot of x and cot of 2x. We are going to introduce this minus sign into the bracket, so we will get minus cot of 2x into cot of x. Minus minus will become 1, and after cutting out these two terms, because these are same, cot of x into cot of 2x, cot of 2x into cot of x, because we know that if we write 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2, these two, both the terms are same. This will yield 6 and 6, and thus these two terms are also same, and we are left with our answer, that is equal to 1, which is right hand side. Any doubt? You can take the screenshot if you want. Now moving towards the next question, which is the most important question of this chapter. Question number 23. Most important question. That is, we have to prove tan 4x equal to 4 tan x multiply by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. Now let us take the left hand side, that is equal to tan of 4x. This tan 4x we are going to do one trick here, that is write 4 as 2 into 2x. Substitute 2x is equal to a here, that is we are using a dummy variable here. Tan of 2 into a, that is equal to tan of 2a, and we are going to use the formula of tan 2a here, tan of 2a. The formula for tan of 2a is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. So after applying this formula we will get 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Any doubt? Since we have put the value 2x is equal to a, now we are going to resubstitute this value here. So we will get 2 tan of 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2 of x. Any doubt still here? So what we are going to do next, write 2 as it is and apply the formula of tan 2a again here. What is the formula of tan 2a? We have already written this, 2 tan of a divided by 1 minus tan square a. So here we are going to use the formula of tan 2a, a is x here. So we will get 2 tan of x divided by 1 minus tan square x divided by what we have in denominator, 1 minus tan square 2x. You can take the square out because here also we are going to use the formula of tan 2x. So what will we get? 2 multiply this 2 and 2. We will get 2 into 2, 4 tan of x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Big divide, this divide is this one. And this is that one. We are left with 1 minus, write the formula of tan 2x, that is 2 tan of x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. This whole square is this. Now what we are going to do is equal to write 4 tan x as it is. We are left with 1 minus tan square x. We are not going to do anything in the numerator, but we are going to solve the denominator. Just bring the square into the bracket and you will get 1 minus 2 square is 4 and tan square x divided by, here in denominator we will get 1 minus tan square x whole square. Any doubt? And now leave the numerator as it is. And take the LCM of it. Since 1 do not have denominator and the one thing and the number that do not have any denominator, there is 1 in its denominator. So after taking the LCM, we will get 1 minus tan square x divided by square. We are going to cross multiply. That is 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. Because this multiply by this, we will get this term, and 1 multiply by this, we will get this term. Any doubt? Now on to the next thing. What will be our next step? In next step, we are going to write 4 tan of x as it is, 1 minus tan square x as it is, and we are going this divide. This is denominator. So we are going to reciprocal this term. So we will get 1 minus tan square x whole square divided by this 1 minus tan square x minus 4 tan square x. This square and this term is going to be cancelled out, or you can apply the formula, that is bases are same, powers are subtracted. To 2 minus 1, we will get 1 minus tan square x as well. So in next term, what we are going to do? 4 tan of x into 1 minus tan square x, and in denominator we have 1 minus, here the square is also there, 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. We have got the numerator that is required in our answer, but we have to solve the denominator of this. How we are going to solve this? 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by, we are going to apply the formula a minus b's whole square here. So what is the formula? That is 1 square plus tan square x whole square minus 2 into a and b minus 4 tan square x, because this term is going to be written as it is. And here is the formula of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now since the numerator required in the answer, we have already gotten this, so we are going to write it as it is and going to solve the denominator here. 1 square is 1 plus power is going to be multiplied, so we will get 2 into 2, that is tan of 4x minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. We will get 4 tan of x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan of 4x. This and this terms, since the variable here is same, so we are going to add these terms, like minus 2x minus 4x yield us minus 6x, and here we will get minus 6 tan square x. That is the required answer of the question. So we will get right hand side. Please take the screenshot of this question. Now moving forward to the next question, that is question number 24. We have on the left hand side cos 4x, and we are going to prove this equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Now let us take left hand side, and we have cos of 4x. We can write 4 as 2 into 2 of x, because we know that 2 into 2x is 4x, and write let 2x is equal to a, that we are going to use a dummy variable here as well. So we will get a here. Now this becomes cos of 2a. We are going to apply a formula here of cos 2a. Cos 2a has generally three formulas, but we are going to use its second formula, that is cos of 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. Thus it will become 1 minus 2 sine square a. Now we are going to resubstitute the value of a here because we do not require a here anymore. So 1 minus 2 sine square into 2 of x. Here this a is known as dummy variable that we are using for our benefit. Now moving forward, we have 1 minus 2 sine, we take the square out of the trigonometric function. So 1 minus 2 and we are going to use the formula of sine of 2a here. The formula of sine 2a is 2 sine of a into cos of a. Sine of 2a has also 2 or 3 formulas, and we are going to use the last formula of sine 2a, that is sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a into cos of a. So we will write this here 2 of sine x because a here is x, cos of x. After that we are left with 1 minus 2. Do the square of everything inside the bracket. 2 square is 4, sine square is sine square x, and cos square is cos square x. So after that we will get 1 minus 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 and sine square x into cos square x. That's the answer of the question and equal to RHS side. Any doubts? Moving toward the next question. And this is also one of the important question of our trigonometric function exercise. That is cos of 6x equal to 32 times cos of 6x cos raised to power 6x minus 48 times cos raised to the power 4x plus 18 times cos square x minus 1. Now let us start this question with left hand side, that is cos of 6x. We are going to use the dummy variable here too. So what will we get? Cos of, how we can write 6x? We can write it as 3 into 2 of x. So we will get 3 into 2 of x. Let 2x is equal to a here. So what will we get? Cos of 3a. Now we have one formula of cos of 3a. What's the formula of that? 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Let us apply this formula here. So we will get 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos of a. Now we are going to resubstitute this value of a here because we do not need the dummy variable anymore. So we will get 4 into cos cube into 2x minus 3 into cos of 2x. Now we are going to use the formula of, let 4 cos 2x whole cube minus 3 cos of 2x. We are going to use the formula of cos 2x here. What is the formula of cos 2x? That is 2 cos square x minus 1. Now after using this formula, we will get 4 into 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into 2 cos square x minus 1. So we are left with 4 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube minus, multiply this, minus minus minus, so we will get 6 cos square x minus minus plus 3. Now we are going to apply the formula of a minus b's whole cube here. What is the formula of a minus b whole cube? Is equal to a cube minus b cube plus 3 a b square minus 3 a square b. Let us apply the formula. 4 into a is 2 cos square x whole cube minus 1's cube plus 3 a is 2 cos square x into 1 square, and the last term of it will be minus 3 into a is 2 cos square x whole square multiply by 1, and this term will remain as it is, that is minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now we are going to solve this bracket first. 4 into, what is the cube of 2? That is 8. Cos 2 into 3 is 6x minus 1's cube is 1 plus 3 into 2 is 6 cos square x multiplied by 1 will remains the same, minus 3 into, firstly we have to solve this bracket square, so 2 square is 4 cos 2 into 2 is 4x minus, this will remain as it is. But we will have 4 into 8 cos of 6x minus 1 plus 6 cos square x minus 3 into 4 is 12, 12 cos of 4x and 6 cos square x plus 3. Multiply this 4 into the bracket, we will have 4 into 3, 32 cos of 6x minus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4 into 6 is 24 cos square x, 4 into 12 is 48 cos of 4x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now what will be left with? 32 cos of 6x minus, write the biggest term, that is of power 4, 48 cos of 4x, then we are left with 24 minus 6 is probably 18 cos square x, and 4 minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, that is equal to the RHS of the answer that we have required. Any doubt? That's the answer that we want. This is the last question of today's class and we are ending here. The chapter ends here as well and we are going to start the next chapter in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you.